Hello and welcome to our channel. We're going to do Tango Box Step tutorial, and this is going to be the famous Tango phrase. So let's start with the knees bent, feet together, and we're going to go forward. 3 steps. T, A, N, G, O. 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 Very good. Let's move back a little bit. So what is important is when we go forward, we step with the heel. And it's a staccato sharp step. It goes step, 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 close. And when we go back, we first reach with the leg. We go T, reach, A, reach, N, G, O. Let's try it all together. Ready? Feet in 6th position, knees bent, down, and we go with a fierce and determined energy. It's a tango. And T, A, N, G, O. T, A, N, G, O. Good. Let's try it to music. Are you ready to do it to music?
Yes.
And prepare. 6, 7, and go. And T, A, N, G, O. T, A, N, G, O. So, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, sharp, staccato. N, G, O. T, A, N, G, O. And good job. Good job. Come back. So for a fuller dance along, please click on the link below where you'll find 1 minute of just the Tango Box Step. We hope you rewatch the video and pay attention to the technical details, because the technical details make the dance and make it refined, polished, and spectacular. Thank you for watching. Bye.